Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'll be presenting on advanced construction material and technologies for military application, assignment 1. So for the table of content, there are project location and details, types of concrete used, specialty of project, pros and cons about the types of concrete that I use, and interesting facts and references. Uh, fl- So the type of concrete that I use in this project is floating concrete. So a floating concrete structure is a solid body made of reinforced concrete and in a chain of chambers filled with a lightweight impermeable material, typically polystyrene. The concrete is made to float by addition of aluminum powder as an air entraining agent. In addition to this, the concrete includes polypropylene fibers for good binding, nanosilica for to increase its strength, and calcium chloride as an accelerator and fix it for the waterproofing. Aluminum mesh is used instead of steel mesh for the reinforcement to make it lightweight and corrosion resistant. So my project is about North Butterworth Container Terminal at Pulau Pinang. So this is the location and details of the Penang port. So the project cost $62.5 million. 62.5 million ringgit. There is a two-phase of uh, timeline, which is started at 1998 and ended in 2001. So the North Butterworth Container Terminal, that's what NBCT stands for, involves 10 lots of land covering the total area of 83.57 hectares. So Penang Port is one of the oldest and established port in Malaysia. So the port serves as a main gate for shippers in the northern states of Malaysia as well as the southern province of Thailand. So the container operation is the core service for Penang Port. The terminal can handle up to 1 million passengers a year, and the port is fully equipped to handle all types of cargo such as containerized and non-containerized cargo such as liquid, dry bulk and break bulk. So the advantage of using the floating concrete is that it can stay afloat and remains a service for 20 years and has more lifespan. It has less water absorption, high thermal and sound insulation, more compressive strength than other concrete, and use less quantity of cement, easy handling and lightweight. So for the disadvantage of the floating concrete, it lacks of underground access for utility lines, difficult to change home system, and have future problems. It cannot be used for overloaded structures. Repairing a float slab is expensive and there is no STM standard for people to use. So the interesting fact about the floating concrete is that it uses less land consumption due to its material. It can be built not on land and also it can be built on water. So the concrete canoes and boat docks are the example of floating concrete. Floating concrete uses less quantity of cement and tougher than a normal concrete. So this is my reference of my project. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.